How do we simplify into bracket x power 3 on 2 plus x power half times into bracket x power half minus x power negative half, all divided by into bracket x power 3 on 2 minus x power half squared? We need to expand. So we are going to have x times this x, but they have powers. So we add the powers. 3 on 2 plus 1 on 2 minus, we multiply this. That gives us x 3 on 2 plus minus half gives minus 1 on 2. Then we multiply this to get plus x power half plus half. Then we multiply this to get minus x power half. And this one, half plus minus half gives minus half. All divided by x power 3 on 2 minus x power 1 on 2 all squared. Now, if we add 3 on 2 to 1 on 2, we get x squared, right? Then if we subtract this, we get minus x. Because this will be, we subtract the 1 from the 3 to get 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And this will give us plus x. And from here, we have minus x power 0. All divided by x power 3 on 2 minus x power half all squared. So here, this and that gives 0. That is minus x plus x is 0. And x power 0 is 1. So we're going to get x squared minus 1 all divided by x power 3 on 2 minus x power 1 on 2 times x power 3 on 2 minus x power 1 on 2. Good. So let us expand the base. Here we multiply this one by this. That will give us x squared. Because we add 3 on 2 to 3 on 2 give us 6 on 2. And that will be power 3, right? Yeah, it will be power 3, not power 2. That will give us power 3. Then we multiply this one by this to get minus x power 2. Because 3 on 2 plus 1 on 2 will be 4 on 2. That will give us this. Then this will be minus, that is this and that. Another x power 2. Wow, this will be positive. Yeah, this will be positive. Or negative times negative is positive. Here, 1 plus 3 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. And this 1, 2 will give us, wow. No, I think there's a mistake here, right? Let me cancel it and let's do it again. We multiply this one by this to get x power 3. Because 3 plus 3, 6 divided by 2, 3. Then we take this and that. It will give us minus x power 2. Then we multiply this by that. It will give us minus x power 2. Yes. Up, we've got that. So half plus 1/3 will give us 4 on 2. Sorry, half plus 3 on 2 give us 4 on 2, which is 2 power. Then we have plus, if we multiply this, we get x, because half plus half is 1. Then we have x squared minus 1 at the top. So we have x squared minus 1 divided by x cubed minus 2x squared plus x. Can we do something here? Let's factorize x out. We have x squared minus 1 on x into x squared minus 2x plus 1. Now, this is the quadratic expression. So let us factorize this quadratic expression. We have x squared minus 2x plus 1. This is the same as x squared minus x plus 1, which will give us x into x minus 1 minus 1 into x minus 1. That is x minus 1 into x minus 1 repeatedly. So the whole of this will now be x squared minus 1 on x times x minus 1 times x minus 1. Wow. Now, x squared minus 1 is difference of two squares. So we can write it as x minus 1 times x plus 1, all divided by x times x minus 1 times another x minus 1. Wow. So here, x minus 1 cancels x minus 1, and we'll be left with x into, wow, wow, wow. We'll be left with x plus 1 divided by x into x minus 1. That's the final answer. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments.